Okay, so previous video I talked about basic UV unwrapping and also smart unwrapping. In this case, I went with marking the seams. This is a fairly straightforward scenario. So I just marked seams and did a regular unwrap. And when I did that, this was the result. So having done that, now it's just a matter of kind of arranging things how I want, and this is pretty straightforward. I can go ahead and I can grab things and move island by island. I'm going to just go ahead and let's do this. I'm going to grab these islands. Let's say that I want the inside of these seams to just be white. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move those right there onto the white area of this curve. Let's see, what else do we have here? Let's grab this. And let's just say that I want this to be the letter H. Maybe I scale this down by pushing S. And maybe I even scale just on one axis. So if I scale on Y, I can get the height to what I want. So that, let's see. Let's grab this, move this up a bit. Let's scale it on X and narrow it up a bunch so that the H takes up most of the side. I'm just kind of making this up as I go. This is not a thought out plan. But the point is, you can kind of set things up how you would like. Or actually, ooh, that might be fun. Right? So I can do something like that. Maybe each of these. Let's grab this and center it here. And let's grab this. And, quite seriously, I can put it right in the same spot. Oh, that's the bottom. Whoops. Let's do this. Let's grab that and put that here. There we go. Let's scale that down and grab that so that we just have a big O on the bottom. Scale that some more on X and scale a little bit more on Y. Grab it, move it up a bit. There we go. We've got an O on the bottom. I can grab this island and move it so that I've got that happening there. Let's grab this island and put that also there. That leaves, let's see, what else do I want to mess with? You get the point. I can go ahead and let's see. Let's grab this one. And if I wanted to, I could rotate this. So let's rotate this about 90 degrees, or I could literally just type in the exact angle I want it rotated. Let's see, Control Z. So let's R90, hit enter. Let's grab this and do something like that so that we get another O right there. Same deal. Let's go ahead and rotate this 90 degrees. Let's grab this and move the F over it, and so on. You get the idea. So depending on what your layout is for the image that you're using, if you have some graphic designs, a company logo, some text that need to go on, if you have things laid out in specific spots, you can just grab this island by island after unwrapping and lay it out exactly how you would like.